All right, here's part two of the comparison between these two packs. This is the Patagonia Mini MLC pack. It is a 30-liter pack, and it's one that I really enjoy traveling with. It's got just enough room that you can pack in stuff to last you for a 3-week trip if you really wanted to. Plus, it's also got a bunch of storage in here that allows you to actually take tech and take some other stuff with you that can be organized a little bit better. So I'll let you take a look at this one here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. You can see here there's a couple different options. You can actually pop this onto another travel case if you had a suitcase like this wheelie pack that has the pull rod. You can actually pop this over the top of that and get double storage out of it if you really wanted to take them both. I don't really find the need to take both. I usually take one or the other, and then I have a smaller like a messenger bag that I take for some of the other stuff and for a daily carry kind of thing. This one fits really well, and it's really comfortable to carry. And it does have a lot of other features to it as well. We do have another handle, so if both of these shoulder straps are packed, we can use the handle to actually just use it as a piece of carry luggage. Another thing to look at here is, I'll start from this side and kind of go in, but here we have a really good tech organization capability for this pack. It'll fit easily 16, 17-inch laptop in there probably. And then it's also got another storage pouch in here if you want to stick a tablet in there and a laptop. Sometimes I do carry a little bit more tech than I probably need, but that's kind of my thing. It's got a lot of storage on the other side here. A lot of times I can put a little pack down in here for all my wire and cabling needs. And then I also have some other areas in here where you can actually store pins and get actually a pin slot right up here as well. And here's a little key holder where you could toss some keys on there and pop it in there, and so that they're easier to grab. This one over here on the side actually has got the Velcro cover case, 2 pen holders, and then 2 other ample sized pockets for you to use just adjacent to your tech stuff. So closing up the tech stuff here, we also have a top pocket that's very voluminous. It's actually a pretty voluminous pocket. Really great place to store a lot of things, and if you want to get directly to them right away. I use this all the time for things that I want to just reach in and grab, headphones, that type of thing on the plane. It does have an additional way to carry this, and I don't have the strap with me, but there's a strap that goes from here that connects here to here, and then you could carry it as a sling bag as well, rather than just a backpack. So you could be carried just by the handle, as a sling bag, or as a backpack. And I really like the fact that you can do all 3 of those types of carrying options. You have those 2 carrying options. You've got a nice sized water bottle case here, and then some tie-on straps where you can carabiner some stuff on. We also, if we open up the main pocket, or the main bag here, you'll see that there are a number of other great big areas for you to store stuff. Usually put like underwear and socks in here or something like that. Dop kit up here. Sometimes I do have a tendency to put some of my stuff in these compression bags. I really like the compression bags because they compress it just enough to keep it from taking up too much room in my bag. pretty voluminous down in here. There's also another little pocket down here at the bottom if you need to store something in particular outside of this area. So maybe you want to keep this stuff clear for the remainder of your clothing. So let's see. The pulls on both these and all of the Patagonia bags, the pulls are bomb-proof. I mean, Patagonia really makes a really good product here. They've got these tie-ons here as well, so if you really wanted to, you could actually strap something to the back of this. If you had some smaller pack that you wanted to stick on there, you could strap something to the back of that and make use of that extra space as well. So that's the Patagonia Mini MLC. It's a 30-liter pack, and that's kind of a comparison with this wheelie bag that we were looking at before. So yeah, all right, thanks for watching.